Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday, 9th of December. Quickly, if you guys are new, want to join the signals as well. We've been hitting the signals. We bought sushi, and our sushi signal just got hit yesterday. Some people did end up in profit as well. And the link for Discord is in the description of this video. Enjoy December for free, you guys. Enjoy December for free signals as well. You won't get that opportunity now. What's up with Bitcoin, guys? Yesterday we did see a small pullback from 51,722 all the way down to 48,898. But it's normal because, when you start going up a little bit, at least you're just going waveform. So it's just a normal behavior. I don't see it's a threat or anything. We are at the 49,801, and it's like we're respecting a new trend line here. One touch here, another touch there, another touch here, and now a touch nearly there. And it seems like it's just going to continue like this till tomorrow until you don't reach 52,829. So for me, there's this trend line as well that is like going down here. Yesterday I did even post a picture on Discord as well, saying that it's okay, it could go just a little bit down, touch this trend line right there. And yes, that's exactly what it did. It touched the trend line, then from here had a reaction towards the upside. And now the funny thing is, we had a bullish engulfing candle in the 4-hour time frame, which it didn't play out, and that's kind of weird. This was a bullish engulfing candle, and that's bullish. But the prices didn't go above, and I do believe when you have a bullish engulfing candle like this one, expect the prices to now start push a little bit upwards, at least go back to this area right there. So these candlesticks are bullish candlesticks, and they mean that the prices can start go to the upside as well. Now, I'm not going to go into the bigger details of Bitcoin at the moment. I've already talked about where Bitcoin can go until March, probably the Q1. So basically, Q1 next year is going to be actually good. I do believe it's going to be good for Bitcoin. And December can be boring. December can be painful. December could be choppy. And don't expect big movements from December. We could even have that sideways movement to 46,000 and just keep moving to the side until it don't go up. Now, what's the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario is that you probably do not want to sell your Bitcoin as well. So just don't sell. Hold it. Hold it. Unless we don't start to get to the bear market. For me, when I see that we're losing this level, that's it, man. That's when I'm going to start losing my faith, and I'm going to say we're going to go down. Actually, as a matter of fact, not that level, but this one. Yeah, but this could also be a huge indicator that we're going to go down to 29,000. But for me, game over is 29,000, to be honest. 39,000 is where I would start to panic a little bit, to be honest with you. And yep, so there's one thing I want to talk about, because that's the title of this video. And you see, there's a zigzag, man. Do you know what a zigzag is? Something like this, 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 and this. And then you have that, that, that. Now that's a zigzag, right? You see, right now, I said the zigzag sync, and it doesn't make sense to you. And I'm going to tell you what this is. You guys have to stay in sync. You got to refresh your brains once again. And you gotta still believe that we're in a bull market, unless we do not invalidate the bull market. Okay, we are still in a bull run technically, and unless you don't invalidate it, you do not go against it. So what the sync basically do is that, right now the market is at the bottom here. Okay, previously you were moving with the market and you bought at the bottom, and then when the market went up, you sold here, and then you wait for the market to go down, and then you bought here again, and then you wait for the market to go up, and then you sold here, and you were in sync. Okay, you were going with the flow. You bought low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high. Now there comes a point when let's say, I'm going to show you this one. Now that you buy here, you sell here, then you bought here, then you sell here. Finally, one day you bought at the $52,000, and then you see the market going down to $42,000. And that's where you're going to create out of sync kind of zigzag. And what you're gonna do is, now you bought here, you're gonna sell here, and then the market is gonna disturb you and go up here, and you're gonna buy here, okay, and then it will go down, and then you're gonna sell there, and then the market goes up, you're gonna buy here again, and then you're gonna go down. Now, how do you prevent this kind of out of sync? Because this is gonna happen, and they do this to actually shake you off. So when the market actually goes down here, that's the reason why I use the 50-50% methods, which is a secret that I'm posting on Discord as well. And if you guys want to know that, you're gonna join the Discord and ask me that. So when you buy here, always be mentally prepared that it could not only go up, but it could come down, and you could be out of sync, and you could lose the flow of the market structure. So you can actually buy 50% more for the dip here, and when it goes up back there, you do the dollar cost average, and then you still win. And then you sell here, and then again when it goes down there, you buy back there. Do you understand that? So the zigzag kind of pattern, the ups and downs, these are known like thrust and reactions, okay? Yeah, they're known as thrust and reaction. So for example, if the market is in an uptrend, okay, like this, just like that, okay, this is your thrust right here, and then when it comes a little bit down for the pullback, this is a reaction, this is another thrust, and this is another reaction. So people do not understand this, that you have to buy from here, you sell it from there, you buy the reaction, and then you sell the thrust. But if it came down for the reaction and it comes all the way down, just be careful, don't be out of sync. Let it go a little bit up and then sell this thrust, and that's where you could be creating a downtrend. Do you understand that? So I hope this just, mentally prepares you for what is ahead. What is recommended right now is just to hold your nose, just let it do whatever it wants to do, let the market lead you. Okay, I always say this, between Bitcoin and you are the you guys, both of us, we're dance partners, but the thing is, Bitcoin has to lead, Bitcoin has to make the decision, Bitcoin has to make the dance moves. Whatever it wants to do, I'm gonna follow along with it. If you try to control it, you cannot. Okay, it's just how the market is. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. And thank you for watching this one, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love it.